Wonderful day to each and everyone. I am Vimala Srinivasan, studying in KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science at BCom Corporate Secretarialship, batch of 2019 to 2022. Now we are going to see about the valuation of share. Valuation of share is nothing about the part of a lesson in corporate accounting. Now we are going to see about the valuation of share introduction. Valuation is not an exact science. It is sophisticated guesswork. Bornbright opens discussion on valuation with the following quotation from a decision by Justice Holmes. Now we are going to see about the needs for valuation of share. Share of a limited company have to be valued for different purpose. When share of acquired private company should be purchased or sold for settlement of dissenting shareholders in a reconstruction scheme, for assessment of wealth tax, capital gain tax, etc. For sharing loan by financial institution on the security of share, for conversion of preference share into equity share, for advancing loan of a security share. Now we are going to see about the factors affecting the value of share. They are the economic condition of a country, the nature of a company's business, other political and economic factors, the demand and supply of share, proportion of liabilities and capital, rate of proposed dividend and past profit of the company, yield of other related share of the stock exchange, etc. Now we are going to see about the formula. There are two methods of valuation of share: net asset method, yield method. Now we are going to see about the net asset method. Value per share is equal to amount valuable for equity shareholders divided by number of share. Amount available for equity shareholder is equal to net asset is equal to asset minus liabilities. Now we are going to see about the yield method formula. Value per share is equal to expected rate of returns into paid up value per share divided by normal rate of return. Expected rate per share is equal to profit available for equity share divided by paid up equity share capital into 100. Profit available is equal to net profit minus income tax minus transfer to reserve minus preference dividend. Asset excluding share discount, debenture discount, preliminary expenses, profit and loss side, underwriting commission and research expenses. Liability excluding equity share capital, general reserve, reserve fund, profit and loss profit side, security premium and capital reserves. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.